If the weather in December is good and there are no severe frosts, you can still sow vegetables that will emerge in the spring. It may happen that the vegetables sown in November grew too early and the seedlings were damaged by frost, then sowing should be repeated in December or only in spring. It is worth knowing that vegetables sown in winter are more resistant, healthier, and will yield a crop faster. We can sow throughout December as long as the ground is not frozen. Fennel seeds will overwinter in the ground. They will rise when the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, but young seedlings will die in frost. Carrots sown in December will not be attacked by pests such as carrot shedding. Good varieties for winter sowing are Kalina F1, Caro, Miniker, Amsterdamska, Broker. Parsley and parsnips sown in December will rise in the spring. Their seedlings are sensitive to the lack of water, so the spring rainy weather will provide them with the right amount of it. Suitable varieties are Lenka, Berlinska, Kukrowa. There are still many vegetables in the vegetable garden that we can harvest over the winter and are frost resistant, such as Brussels sprouts or kale. If we have a greenhouse, we can also collect vegetables previously sown, such as lettuce or radishes, there. Depending on how cold the winter is. Also at home, on the windowsills, we can enjoy potted herbs such as chives, basil, oregano, or thyme. We can sow microgreening in salads, i.e. leaves of lettuces or vegetables grown into the seedling stage, then we eat the leaves. We also produce sprouts, e.g. alfalfa, clover, radish, cabbage, broccoli, onion, sunflower, lentil, mung bean and many more.